welcome to Digit. My name is Yatnesh and today we are taking a look at the HP Omen 16 gaming laptop. Now this is a special laptop because HP has launched it after the roaring success of their HP Victor 16 gaming laptop launched earlier this year. Now this laptop is again very special because it packs in a 16-inch high refresh rate screen just like the HP Victor 16. Additionally, it also packs in an octa-core processor from Intel and an Nvidia RTX 3000 series GPU. So let's see what else this laptop has on offer and have a good time. So let's begin. So first, let's start with the unboxing. Inside the box, you'll find some documentation, a big 280-watt charging brick and the laptop itself. Now you can immediately feel the effect of an increase in screen size going from 15-inch to 16-inch. Here you can take a closer look at the laptop. Now in terms of design, the laptop looks similar to the current gen Omen, apart from the screen size of course. The build quality of the HP Omen laptop had always been decent and this particular model is no different. The laptop's chassis has virtually no flex and feels very much in line with the build quality of its cousin HP Victor 16. Some major changes on the HP Omen 16 gaming laptop are on the inside and include a brand new 11th Gen Intel Core 11800H CPU, which is an 8-core 16-thread processor paired with an Nvidia RTX 3060 GPU with 115 watts TGP. Additionally, the laptop also features a PCI Express Gen 4 SSD for even faster load times than a conventional SSD. Cooling such a powerful internal setup are two fans and multiple air vents. HP has really worked on the cooling part of this laptop by increasing the open vent area compared to the older model. The new fan blades are thinner and more in numbers compared to the 15-inch HP Omen laptop, lending the newer model better cooling capabilities. The 16-inch screen sports a 1080p LCD panel with 300 nits of brightness and 100% sRGB color space coverage. The screen is mainly geared towards gaming and hence features a 144Hz of maximum refresh rate. The laptop also has a set of Bang & Olufsen tuned speakers that sound good at first glance. Speaking of first glance, let's take a quick look at this laptop's gaming performance. In total, we tested 4 games on this laptop in high graphical preset at 1080p resolution. The first title we tested was Shadow of the Tomb Raider. Now, this game is quite GPU intensive, so here's where you can see the RTX 3060 really stretching its muscles. The fans of the laptop kicked off as soon as I booted up the game, and on a first glance they sound relatively quiet than last year's model. Of course, I'm saying this as a personal observation as I'll have to test it to be sure. The next title we tested was Dirt 5. Now, this is the next gen title which was launched in the newer consoles, including the Xbox Series X and the PS5. And as you can see, it is running quite smoothly on the HP Omen 16 gaming laptop. In games like these, which requires a fast-paced response, I really do feel that the high refresh rate screen does helps a lot in showcasing those high frames. The third title we tested is somewhat old but still relatively pretty good looking, the Gears 5. Now, this is a third-person action shooter and also involves a lot of fast-paced action. The game here is running on high settings at 1080p resolution and the GPU seems to be holding on its own pretty well, even under tense situations. Here you can see the 11th Gen Intel i7 8-core processor really come into play as well, as it handles all the chaos happening on the screen quite beautifully. The last title we tested was the Metro Exodus. Now, this is the non-enhanced version but still a demanding title nonetheless, and the HP Omen 16 handled this quite well. It is one of those good looking titles that really push the CPU and the GPU with its visuals, and the HP Omen 16 gaming laptop seems like a good machine to handle it. So that was our first look at the HP Omen 16 gaming laptop. We will be doing a full in-depth review of this thing, so stay tuned for that. As for now, thank you for watching.